Annoying. Staying in traffic jam for 40 minutes and then miss the live session. But anyway, what we can do about the traffic? So it's the way of life. So let's begin late session for today on the live. I was craving for this live session, but somehow late on that. I hope that you guys were patient. Lucky that have been able to start the session. I believe that you guys are ready here. So we can see that this is where today is very important day again. First of all, I would like to look at the news calendar to see how the market might be moving later today. And if we look at the ADP non-farm employment change, which is coming later tonight, and I will be looking for entry opportunity around this zone as it's gonna be an important news coming up. So I'll be looking to see where we can find trading opportunity in the upcoming session. So make sure, guys, are you guys ready? Thank you very much. Yeah, good morning. Kindly do analyze for Gbpusd. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. And let's see, looking at the daily chart to see where the market is heading on XAUSD, and also we'll be looking at other instrument as well. And let's first look at the monthly chart to see, as I mentioned earlier, on the monthly, the price on XAUSD, we'll be doing the analysis and then we'll be looking for entry later today. We see that quite a few instruments currently trending, especially XAUSD is in a strong trend. And we can see from here there is a gap opened, and after this gap open, there is a bounce. The market now dropping back down to the support level, and from that support expecting that XAUSD it's coming for a deeper pullback, expecting it to bounce back up. Now looking at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly impulse here, and from that weekly impulse, so we can see that there is a gap open in that area again on XAUUSD. The market almost have dropped to the support level. We might see now, as I mentioned earlier, if you guys look at yesterday in the analysis, that XAUUSD might be rejecting from that level. And if we look at the daily chart, we can see that in fact the market reached that monthly resistance and also the weekly resistance, and then from that level the price started to break below, and at the moment again it's moving back to the upside. But the way you can see that after the yesterday's daily candle, it managed to again break below, and I think that in that area we may see that XAUUSD breaking below the support level. Okay, so you could see that the price breaking below the support, and after breaking below the support, we might see that the price rejecting again. So there is a probability for XAUUSD to drop down and then to create a new lower low. So looking at the intraday perspective here, this move that we have seen yesterday, massive bullish momentum, and we can see the market again coming back down here. So there is a liquidity zone here. If we look at the 1 minute, 1 hour and lower time frame, after this is a bull flag that you can see that after the bull flag, the market managed to break below, and I think that with that bull flag, the price may come back down here to the support level, and expecting for this market to this is an order block that we discussed, and because the market managed to break from that zone, I think later today the market pardon, yes, Later today, we might see that the price could return back to the support, and therefore XAU USD, we can expect for this market to revert back, which is the previous resistance here, which is turning support here, and we will be waiting for the market. I think we might see that reversal to the downside. And okay, so as we trade on the lower time frame, let's look at the 1 minute chart. There is a long wick rejection here. Again, looking at the 1 hour. Okay, so from the 1 hour, what we see that there is a long wick at the bottom. So expecting a potential wick fill from the 1 hour. This candle is closing, as you can see. And let's draw that zone. And drawing that zone, 1 minute price action, a pretty important level here. This is a significant support. Okay, now so let's see where it is heading. We'll be looking for entry. XAUSD, we can see that it is from this level there is a bounce, and because there is a bounce here, we, this is the lower time frame price action, and from the 5 minutes and the lower time frame 5 minutes, there is a bullish liquidity candle formation. From that level, we can see this is an important channel here, bullish channel, expecting, we can see the market managed to bounce, and I think that we might see now, if you look at the daily, it's going back to the daily resistance line. And looking at the weekly, monthly, now looking at the monthly, where we can see that it is a market where after the 1 hour candle, we can see the market managed to bounce here. We will be waiting for so far, because there is a bounce, you can see that because there is a bounce, we might see that the market may remain to the upside here. So this is a bullish engulfer here. Okay, so that bullish engulfer here, what we can see from the lower time frame, also there is a bounce. Yeah, with this bullish engulfer, we can see the market trying to bounce back up. 1 minute chart, which is bullish at the moment. If we see that the market has grabbed enough liquidity, we can look for potential entry opportunity. And in the meantime, thank you for joining the live session, Mahul. David, good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning. This day is to live, right? Thank you. Yeah, we do 2 live session each day. 2 live session. One is there, the other one is on the NY session. Good morning, everyone. Patricia, good morning. The daily candle has to week. GJ, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for joining the live session, and let's find out that what is our next potential opportunity. Okay, so this is where if I look at the 30 minutes and lower time frame, we can see that the market structure is fairly bullish. And if we see that 1 minute time frame break of structure, if you look at the daily here, I'm gonna peep in that area, 29. Okay, so here is a 1 minute price action, expecting it to break below and then to trend in the direction. There is a you can see the market is basically in an uptrend here. Okay, so here is XAU USD wanting to see that the market breaking below, and this is a 1 minute chart, and I think it might try to go ahead and retest that level. The trend is up currently, and you can see it's trying to break above. All right, guys, so let's see now, along with XAU USD, if we look at the Forex factory calendar, we can see that looking at the calendar here, coming up 10:15 p.m. ADP non-farm employment change, and then so this is a very important day in terms of ADP non-farm employment change. If we look at also other instruments such as looking at AUD USD, Gbpusd, and Euro USD. So if we look at okay, now XAUSD is trending from that level, which is we could enter. There is a liquidity candle formation here, and with that liquidity candle formation, the market started to bounce back up, and I think we may see that the market is moving back up to the potentially to the resistance line to see where it is heading. Okay, I want to see a breakup structure. We can see that after the 4-hour retest, we might see now potential breakup structure here, and then if it drops down well below, we can look for potential bullish opportunity. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning. Thank you. Salami, morning. Okay, so you can see some potential breakup structure here, and so this is an important level of support. And from the 1 minute on XAU USD, from that support we might see that the price is moving back to the upside. Okay, so locally we can see that here is coming back down here, and okay, so you can see a red candle, expecting for the market to come back to the support, and then we can look for if it breaks below that level, we can look for potential bullish opportunity. Okay, we can see that drop, which is pretty exciting drop here, and expecting it to come back to the support. Okay, we can see the market is breaking below, and after break of this support we can look for we see the break of support, expecting it to let's see 1 hour. Now this candle 1 hour on XAUUSD, if it is coming back here, we might see potential upside. So you can see the market again breaking out. So looking at the 4 hour again, the only thing that the price is approaching a 4 hour resistance line. Otherwise I would look to go long here on this, and so from here there is a bounce. You can see here is potentially dropping, and then we can expect it to bounce back up. Okay, so here is the market is trying to break below. Okay, so here is what we can see. This is an important support here. Okay, here the market is breaking below and expecting for the price to drop below and then to trend in the direction. Okay, creating sees a higher low in that area, and if we look at the Forex factory again later today coming ADP ADP non-farm employment change, guys, we will be running that trade, running this live session during that news, so make sure you stay connected. And for this live I will still be looking at the market, but as we are started late today, we will be again resuming this live during the NY session. Still there is no proper entry opportunity. Patience is key, so I will be still be patient for entry opportunity, and until the next live I will be ending this live for now, and we will be waiting for the next one coming up very soon. Thank you for joining this live. I believe that you understood potential movement in the market. Just to recap, on XAU USD we can see that locally upside. I think that from the daily resistance we may see rejection, so once the price will retest the daily resistance, we may look for potential selling opportunity if we see enough confirmation. Otherwise we might see that trend continuation to the upside. I'll see you in a couple of hours, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll be also giveaway in the next live, 2 giveaway for all of you to join the academy, the lucky winners, so don't miss out that live as well. Until that, stay well, stay happy.